January 2024, I'm officially 6 months into the locks journey. I probably made like a total of 3 good decisions in 2023. Locking up was one of them. Alright, this video is gonna be fire, mad chill, but I gotta start this out with some serious advice, y'all, for real. If you're over 6 feet and considering getting locks, don't. This video is not for you. Like, just stick with waves or the mini fro with coils. Like, locks are not worth it, bro. Honestly, it's not what I thought it'd be at all, so. Alright, now that they're gone, bro, locks are my favorite hairstyle, bro. It's lit. There's like so many different ways you can style them. They're super easy to manage, bro. It's a cheat code for real. Mine are like just past medium length after like 6 months of being locked up. They're not short no more, but they're definitely not long either. Like I can put it up, not easily, but like when they get longer, like I could do this like in 5 seconds. Is that valid? You feel me? Like you saw though, if I do it wrong, like it's just gonna fall out. But like some of the front might come undone after a while because it's not that long in the front yet. So definitely hoping they hit my shoulders by like the year marker in July. Like we good in the back. It's pretty much where I want it. Like the back's chilling. Mainly in the front is where I want it to get longer. Like, we need a front to catch up for real. Like I want it to look like this. Alright, on the routine tip though, listen y'all, my routine was like a little weird starting out because not everyone's hair is the same, like y'all know this. So I had to like experiment and find out what works for me. For starters, I water my hair probably like, that'll sound crazy in non-black people. Yeah, I water my hair probably like every other day. Nothing crazy, maybe just like a handful, but I have 4C hair, so my hair just absorbs water like crazy. I think that's how it works. On my wash days, after I wash it, I use this moisture, or if it just feels like dry, after I do the water, I'll put the moisturizer in. Meal or Miel hair oil, I don't know how to say it, someone correct me. It's pretty dope. I use that last after the water, the moisturizer, it seals it in. And I'm pretty sure it's good for like hair growth too. I ain't gonna cap though. I probably haven't used it in like 2 months because this one right here is pretty much out and I just keep forgetting to buy another. So I've just been doing the water and the moisturizer. Up until that 2 months ago though, I was using it after pretty much every moisture routine, which is about once a week, maybe twice. I do the water thing. I said I do that every other day. I don't always do the moisturizer after that though. Like sometimes just the water is cool. Like I don't want to pack in too much product because buildup and that's just OD. So water most days, but like when I feel like it's really getting dry, yeah, I'll put in the moisturizer. And when I was doing the hair oil, I did that too. And that was probably all 3. I probably did that maybe once or twice a week. Every day is crazy. Like every day, you don't need to be packing in that product every day. Like I don't know too much about hair, but I know what I know. And yeah, don't do that. But yeah, I haven't used the hair oil since probably like October. Maybe that's why I feel like my hair hasn't been growing lately. We for sure gotta get back on the hair oil. As far as maintenance, look, y'all know we keeping it 1,000 in all my videos. I am broke right now. Like I ain't had Chipotle since like last summer. So I just be retwisting my own hair and I use this black beeswax. Actually, I got it somewhere around here. This right here, I bought like a 3-pack like 6 months ago when I started for like 12 bucks. And I'm like just starting to run out. And that's me using it to retwist like every 3 weeks. So for only 12 bucks, yeah, it definitely lasts for a fat minute. But yeah, I've been hearing like mixed reviews on it. This is the black beeswax. I think really just like Murray's in general is like what I've been hearing like the mixed reviews on. Listen, I'm not a hair expert. I'm just letting y'all know how we got here. That's it. So I know what I've heard from some people, but it hasn't done me dirty yet. So unless someone want to type out a persuasive essay with citations and sources in the comments, I'm gonna keep doing me for the time being.
Nah, yeah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
I'll put the Amazon link in the description if y'all want to look at it. Like I said, everyone's hair is different. It ain't done me dirty, so. I want to talk about the styles next. This is why we really getting locks. Like this is why we got locks. It's for the style. I'm gonna throw up some of my favorite styles. Like, bruh, these are just hard. My hair isn't really long enough to really wear these yet though. Like I could, but like, I don't know. I just feel like it'll look better like when the front's touching down a little more. So I mostly just let it hang like probably 75% of the time. Next is putting it all up. Yeah, this will be way easier when it's longer. Like this is what I'm talking about. Like the front like kind of be like, so I gotta actually put it, hold on. More so than doing it back, I gotta do it like up. So it's like kind of even from front to back. I don't even think I could rock it like this like 3-4 months ago. But yeah, I don't wear it up like this too often. Probably like when I go out every once in a while. And then when I'm in the shower. That's probably the only time I wear it like that though. I'll pull the front back when it's getting in my eyes too much. Like maybe I'm driving, reading, working. John Morant, for sure when I'm hooping or when I'm running, I switch between the John Morant and just having it all up. I only really put the back half up when I'm like doing back squats and I just don't want my hair getting like caught under the bar. That's probably the only time I really put the back up and leave the front down. Sometimes I might do it for like just a different look when I'm going out or something, but honorable mentions, we got the Aaron Yeager. I don't know why or when I started wearing it like that, but yeah, I don't really do that too much no more, but it was funny when I did it, so I just kept doing it. And yeah, every time I wore that, people would say my hair looks like him, so. The Polo G, I mess with it when you do it right. Like, it's a chill little, it's a chill little, especially when you got like a fade, like, and you try and show it off but not do too much, like the Polo G's clutch. And you can do either side, but again, like you just gotta figure out how your hair sits and how you like it. Like at the end of the day, it's your hair. Like I call these the twins. This is like another style that helps like keep it out of your face. It's mad chill. I'll wear it like this when I can find 2 hair ties. I be getting robbed. I don't know where my hair ties be going. But again, I don't really ever wear it out like this. This is just like, I'm chilling. But I think this is for sure one of the ones that look way better when it's like longer. And yeah, most of the styles just look better when your hair is longer. Like you got more to work with. I for sure want to do more of my hair this year. I don't know what those little rings are that people be putting in there, but those are fire. Like I need to get me some of those. Like it's subtle, but like it adds a little something, like it like puts a little sauce on. I don't know, it's clean though. I'm gonna need some of those. Definitely dyeing it this year. Y'all gotta help me out. I don't know what color, and probably just the tips. I don't think I'm gonna do like the whole, like, I'm thinking either red, brown, or purple would look fire. Like I think one of those would look clean. I'm definitely leaning between those 3 colors, but I don't know. I could be persuaded. I could be. Let me know, because I've only dyed my hair like once. That was 4 years ago. We don't talk about that era. So throw out some colors in the comments. Let me know which color y'all think like doing the tips would be the cleanest. But before any of that, first I gotta get my ears pierced though. But I can't do that until I get monetized. So subscribe, check out some of my other videos that help me get my watch hours up. Because I got the sub. Shout out to y'all. We passed 1,000 like a minute ago. Help me get them watch hours up because I need those like bad. But yeah, I also fade my own hair. Cause y'all remember when a fade was like $25, $30 3 years ago? Y'all listen, I'm apartment hunting right now. These barbers basically charging what I'm looking to pay for rent. Y'all boys tweaking. Nah, but I saw this one dude pay $150 for a fade.
My haircut was $150, so I need everybody to see it.
$150 for a 2-week high taper? Like, what are we doing? For $150, I better walk out the barbershop, right? And get arrested for how clean the cut is. Y'all, I guess some of y'all just got it like that. Bro, $150, I fill my gas tank, pay my phone bill, my gym membership. And I still got enough to go to Chipotle afterwards with a shorty, extra scoops, and I want guac. And y'all using that for a 2-week fade? God bless. Hey, a lot of y'all complaining though, but they went from $30 to $65 in 2 years for the same 2-week fade. And y'all still paying for it. Like, hey, not me, I'm out here like Thanos. Like.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
Y'all tripping, I'll do it myself. Hey, but speaking of fades, there's a couple downsides to locks that I'm gonna close off with. But a huge benefit of being locked up, bro, you really don't need a fade like that. Like once it passes that mid-length, like look, I'm gonna put it side by side. When you're wearing your hair down, can't no one really tell for real. Like you don't know which one I gotta fade in. Fellas, if a girl notice you got a cut while your locks are hanging like this, I need you to do 2 things. First, you thank her, all right? Then I need you to get down on one knee. Like, it's that simple. The second benefit is low maintenance compared to the other styles, waves, 2-strand twists, made for coils, curls, whatever you name it. Locks are like the easiest to maintain. Next, the versatility, all the styles. There's really nothing you can't do with it. And then lastly, the journey, which speaks for itself. I love being on my lock journey, sharing it with y'all, just tracking the growth. It's a beautiful thing. Bruh, every black man gotta lock up at least once in your life. Unless you're above 6 foot and you got a beard, let's chill out. Like, just stick with waves, bro. I don't know why you still watching. You already got 2 of the infinity stones. You just fiending at this point. You being greedy. And the waves will look better on you, trust. you don't need this. All right, the cons, gotta talk about it. It's short, but it's lethal. Starter dreads, the gummy worms, it just really don't look good at all. There's no other way like to put it. Listen, you gonna get clowned for those first couple of months, but check it. Then you're gonna be stealing their girls. It's the circle of life. It always comes full circle. Don't trip. Hey, it is a skippable stage though. Like, I grew my hair out a little before I locked up. It does take a little longer to lock up because there's more hair. That's just the trade-off. You gotta make that decision for you, but yeah, that's what I did. I don't really have any cons besides that. Like, I guess once it starts to get like long, like maybe like down to your mid back, then it looks like it's like more to manage. It's definitely more expensive because you gotta use more product, it's more hair. But I'm not growing mine out that long. Like, I just legit want mine, like, I'll throw up the picture, like, where I want mine at. But yeah, I'm not gonna get to that point to where they're down to, yeah, I'm good on that. So, I don't really got any cons. Like, once you get past the gummy worm dress, it's all up for real. I'll probably do the next link check in 3 months. That'll be 9 months into my lock journey, so hopefully it's like, nah, the front's not gonna grow that long in 3 months. So yeah, we'll see where it is in March, April. What color should I dye, y'all? Let me know for real. I think I'll either do it when I hit 22,000 subs, because I'm turning 22 this year, or I'll do it 6 months from now at the 1 year mark into my lock journey, whichever comes first. Hey, so subscribe if you want to follow the lock journey. Also got calisthenics journey going on. Y'all gonna want to follow that too, for real. Like, hey, we on personal growth all 2024. It really helps if you actually mess with the vid to let me know by hitting that like button. All right, y'all boys and ladies, shout out to y'all watching. Stay blessed, stay tuned. I'm out.